My wife and I bought this house 2 years ago during the winter. We quickly found out that we had a water retention issue here in the backyard. Where I'm standing all the way back to where the hill starts was basically a pond every time it rained. Spring was the worst, and quickly found out that we had to correct this problem. So I went online and researched companies that would help me, and found Ware Landscaping, and Mike came out and helped me create a plan. They were basically able to do French drains from the front of my house where all the water was coming. The water would come around to the sides and it would end right here in the low point, and the water would sit here for weeks. So they were able to develop these French drains that led to a giant well that they hand dug in the middle of the yard back here. Mike was able to develop a plan where we use sump pumps that pump the water out from here all the way to the backyard, where it comes out of a pipe and runs off naturally down the grade in the backyard. And that was all okayed by the city of Wheaton, and it's working. I mean, we'll have heavy rains and we get nothing. There's no water sitting here. I can go out the next day and mow my lawn, and my mower's not getting stuck. So it's working out pretty well. The work was impeccable, and I couldn't be more happy.